Hey guys, Virtual Mentors Club here. So today we're going to start by solving a problem from the STAAR 2019 5th grade math test. This is question number 33. Let's start by reading the problem, and as we read it, let's highlight any key information. Hollis put a layer of boxes in the bottom of a container. Each box has a volume, that was bad highlighting. Each box has a volume of 1 cubic foot. So, just a side note, the units in a problem are very important, and in this case it is feet. The base layer of the boxes in the container is shown. So the base bottom layer is shown right here. Hollis will need 8 of these layers to completely fill the container. What is the volume of the container in cubic feet? Alright, so basically the question is telling us to find the volume of the container given that you have the bottom layer and the height. So let's start by finding the volume of this base layer alone. And then once we find the volume of this base layer, we can multiply it by 8 to get our volume of the container, since 8 of these layers will create the container. So let's start. So the height would be 1 foot. Then the length would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet. And the width would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet. And as you remember, the formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism is V equals L times W times height. So the formula is length times width times height equals volume. So let's plug in these values. So V equals 6 times 1. Or the volume of the base layer is 36. And now that you have the volume of the base layer, all you have to do is multiply by 8, since 8 of these layers creates the container. 8 of these layers fills up the container. So let me move it over here. Base layer volume equals 36. And you have to multiply the base layer, so base layer times 8 to get container volume. So 36 is the base layer volume. Multiply that by 8 to get 288 feet cubed. Yeah, I forgot to write feet cubed and feet cubed. So 36 times 8 is 288 feet cubed. And as you can see, that is answer choice. That was a bad. This is answer choice B. So B is the correct answer.